after. Mama would be hollering from across the pasture. Supper's on the stove and your gigs start right after. If you wanna be on time, you better move a little faster. I'm a honky-tonkin', straight line walking, barnyard stomping, guitar picking fool. I like two-step dancing, late night romancing. Take my chances at breaking all the rules. And it don't matter where you're from or what you don't you know. Gonna crank this party way up, 'cause you know that's how we do. And I know everybody thinks that country boys just don't know how to rock and roll. Son, just head on back to where you're from, to the main and black and marine level. So I keep getting down at every party I can find. Keep on trucking down the road, one dance hall at a time, blowing out black smoke till I can hear that turbo whine. The world is one big stage and I ain't stopping till it's mine. I'm a honky-tonkin', straight line walking, barnyard stomping, guitar picking fool. I like two-step dancing, late night romancing. Take my chances at breaking all the rules. And it don't matter where you're from or what you thought you knew. Gonna crank this party way up, 'cause you know that's how we do. Give me 3, 4, sipping and picking on the back porch. Give me 5, give me 6, give me 7, 8. Sun's going down, you know I can't wait. Give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, 4, sipping and picking on the back porch. Give me 4, give me 3, give me 2, 1. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk